Hey guys, Lazerbolt here, and welcome to another episode. So I found this STL model on a little website called My Mini Factory. It's one of my favorite sites for grabbing 3D printable files. Most of them are free on there, but occasionally somebody will ask for a couple bucks or something. I was glad to give this guy $2. I really like this bust. I think it looks great. I thought today, let's go ahead and take this one and give it a neat paint job. If we paint this with some really cool bronze or something, I think this will turn out looking kind of like an idol from Indiana Jones or something like that. It should be pretty neat. So let's go, I'll show you how it's done. So we're going to start by giving it a couple coats of this ultra matte black primer. Just spray it on there nice and evenly. Alrighty, just like that. Let's let this gal dry for a couple hours and we'll be back. So the next step is we're going to apply this Liquitex acrylic bronze. It works really good. Let's go ahead and get started. We're just going to use our fingers. Put it on really lightly. You just need just a little bit on there. And go over the top of everything and you'll notice that it will leave all the black on the inside cracks and everything like that, and it will just kind of highlight the outsides with bronze, like this. And that works. Already looking pretty good, huh? Well, let's go ahead and let this dry for a couple minutes, and when we get back, we're going to apply some of this really cool stuff here. This is Metallic Luster Gold Rush Wax. This Metallic Luster Gold Rush is very good stuff. It just takes a little bit and it'll make it super shiny, and it looks just like gold. So yeah, we're going to apply this around mostly on like the headpieces, anything that sticks out, some jewelry, things like that, anything that you want to really give it a highlight. So let's go ahead. This stuff is really smooth, real smooth and creamy. It almost feels like makeup. Just dab it on there lightly. Get it on the Yeah, there you go, everybody. Look at that. That turned out pretty good. That was pretty easy and simple and fast. And there you go. That looks nice. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye now.